Good morning students. Welcome back to the computer class. Our chapter number 6, which is internet services. Its explanation is done. In the previous video, we have completed some topics which are podcasting, e-commerce, what are the uses of internet and why we use the bloggers, what is the use of e-commerce, why we use the Google Drive, and so many topics we have completed in this chapter. Now today we are going to do a exercise which is divided into the 4 parts. See children, our exercise is divided into the 4 parts. The first one is MCQs, the second one is fill in the blanks, the third one is answer the following questions, and the fourth one is application based questions. MCQs, fill-ups and application based questions, you have to write it in your textbook only, and question answers, which is third part, you have to write these question answers in your fair notebook in a good handwriting. Okay, now we are going to discuss about these question answers. There are 6 questions which are listed here. Now we are going to discuss about these one by one. Our first question is, explain some of the potential threats while using the internet. In the previous lectures we done this topic. There are so many threats while using the internet. There are some few are listed here. First one is bombs. There are the viruses which activate themselves after a specific time period and cause damage to the computer system. The second one is malware. It is derived from the words malicious and software. It is a type of software which is designed to damage the data without owner's knowledge. The third one is file viruses. It attacks and modify the executable files. There are some extensions are here. They load themselves onto the memory and slowly infect the other files. And the fourth one is spam. It is also called a junk files. These are some unwanted emails or the unwelcome commercial emails जो हमारे systems में आ जाती हैं, which are called spam. Our second question is, what is e-commerce, and list any 4 e-commerce websites. Yes, what is e-commerce? E stands for electronic and the commerce means buying and selling a product by using internet online. See, e-commerce, buying and selling of product online is called a e-commerce, and there are some websites are given which are used for the online shoppings. E-commerce websites, there are special websites with some extra security features. Some of the popular e-commerce websites are www.amazon.com, www.flipkart.com, www.ebay.com and www.fabmart.com. Our third question is, list some of the advantages of e-commerce. E-commerce को use करने के benefits क्या क्या हैं? You can buy the product even while sitting at the home. No need to carry the cash from the home to shop. No time limit, and it saves the time, money and efforts. Our fourth question is, write short notes on the following. First one is podcasting, a digital audio file made available on the internet for downloading to a computer or mobile device, typically available as a series, new installments of the which can be received by the subscribers automatically, and we can also say that it is also called a internet radio. हमें हमारी कुछ ऑडियो फाइल्स और कुछ वीडियो फाइल्स डिजिटाइड फॉर्म में मिलती हैं. कहाँ हम उन्हें डाउनलोड भी कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग इंटरनेट, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ इंटरनेट रेडियो. What are blogs? It is derived from the term weblog. Weblog means website. It is a type of website usually maintained by an individual. Blog is a medium through which the information is published and advertised on the internet. The one of the most commonly used blog is personal blog, which is look like a diary. Our fifth question is, what is Google Drive, and list any 3 disadvantages of Google Drive. Yes, what is Google Drive? Google Drive हमें क्या करता है? ये ऑनलाइन फाइल स्टोरेज सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करता है, विच इज़ प्रोवाइडेड बाय द और डेवलप्ड बाय द गूगल. इट अलाउज द 15 GB ऑफ द फ्री स्टोरेज स्पेस ऑल्सो, एंड द यूजर्स कैन शेयर इट फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स टू द अदर यूजर्स ऑल्सो विदाउट एनी obstacles or without any problems. There are some disadvantages of Google Drive also. The security issue, internet dependency, and uploading and downloading the speed and if you want to need more than 15 GB space, you have to pay for it. Sixth question is, list any 3 advantages of blogging. Yes, हमने पढ़ा था. What do you mean by blogging? So what are the advantages of blogging now? It improves your writing skills, and the cost of blogging is very low, so that's why it is very cheap. So इसलिए हम इसे बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. And the third one is, it allows you to share your ideas and views with the others also. You will learn the new things, and it makes the education demand oriented and participant centered.